It's been a stormy, week and a half now? 2
Yeah,
weeks?
it seems like it. And it make it worse, too. What we're talking about is the possibility of a tropical low. You're going to be hearing a lot about it on social media and everything. It's not going to be a significant tropical system if it were to develop because the water temperatures are still just marginal right now. A little bit further west, a little warmer. But there's a lot of shear going on, so it's poorly organized. If it gets into the Gulf, there's a small chance that it could develop into a tropical depression or tropical storm on Friday and Saturday. We'll get to that in a minute, but there's enough twist in the atmosphere to spin one of these up. Get a look. A funnel cloud near the old Salty Dog. Amy Blair getting this one. This is out there by, again, Longboat Key, and it looks like that funnel never reaching the ground, so it was classified just as a funnel. Had it gone down into the water or on land, it would have been classified as a tornado. They also spotted that at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport as well. Get a look at our tower cam, and you can see I'm going to stop it right about the same time, around 2:20 this afternoon, as there were storms moving on through, and just above the buildings to the left, you start to see some of that low-hanging cloudiness right there, and this possibly could be it right there, one of these developing into a funnel as it made its way to the northeast. Then the heavy rains came, and obviously those rains causing all sorts of headaches for drivers and commuters. Looks like we'll see similar conditions again tomorrow. Now here's some rainfall estimates since Saturday now. I just started it from Saturday to kind of give you a running total, up to 5 inches right there near I-75 and Clark Road, and also extending up 4.1 inches into southern portions of Manatee County Parish, or close to it, up to 3 inches of rainfall. Now these are estimates. Just in the Gulf Gate area, I got a report from Weather Watcher there, reporting 2.5 inches just today. Now, flood warnings are in effect for some of the rivers, as they typically are during the summer months. Not now, but we're getting that. Flood warning for the Manatee River at the Myakka Head, just barely above flood stage. Also, Horse Creek in DeSoto County, some flooding going there. And that could be a concern, especially over the weekend, if that tropical low gets closer to us. But regardless of that, we continue to see this line of low pressure. And at the end of this line, we're going to see some development, and that's what's going to eventually emerge into the Gulf. And there are two rules of thought there. We'll show you them in a minute. But until then, we get a lot of heavy rainfall, regardless, due to the daytime heating, and then showers and storms developing along the convergence front like we're seeing right now. And boy, this rain's been heavy into Bradenton, Palmetto, up to Ribonia, and along I-275. There are treacherous driving conditions. It's not moving much either, and rainfall rates up to about an inch and a half to almost 2 inches an hour there are going to cause some ponding of the roadways as far as that water goes. So driving not advisable right now, especially in northwestern portions of Manatee County. Now the Futurecast is showing this rainfall again moving off to the northwest tonight, then it kind of quieting down. We will see calm conditions overnight and tomorrow morning for the drop-off and for your commute, not a problem. But tomorrow afternoon and evening, similar conditions with showers and storms developing. Some of those could produce some locally heavy rainfall. The atmosphere is just so juiced up right now. I mentioned the water temperatures. For us, in the upper 70s, it has to be 80 degrees or above for tropical systems to really get going. We have that in the middle part of the Gulf of Mexico. Currently, we have rain at 74 degrees now at the airport, the humidity at 90%, 97%, and you can see the forecast tomorrow calling for those afternoon and evening storms. And as far as the satellite and radar imagery goes, continuing to show that steady stream of moisture our way. As far as the overall forecast goes, here's the GFS model showing that low pressure tracking right into west central Florida, but this could change. And it wouldn't be a very organized system at that, but windy conditions could really be a big possibility there. As far as boating is concerned, southeast winds tomorrow at 10 to 15 knots, although it says Saturday, that is for Tuesday. The extended forecast, elevated rain chances right through Friday and Saturday. These are the days we'll have to watch pretty closely as we head into Memorial Day weekend. Could see some pretty heavy weather around. Back to you.
All right, Bob, thank you.